Hi, I'm John Pagano with Forest River Class C Motorhomes, and welcome to the quick tour of this 2023 Sunseeker 2440. This is a dual slide floor plan that measures 27 feet in length. This is part of our Classic series, so it has some great features like a fiberglass molded front cap, Asdel substrates, an easy ride suspension system, 7,500 pound hitch, and our blind spot monitoring system. So you can see right here, this alerts you to any drivers in your blind spot on your driver or passenger side, up in the cab, audibly or visually. Let's take a look at the inside of this awesome floor plan, show you some of the features and layouts of it. So as you walk into this floor plan, this is really spacious for 27 feet. You have two slides on the driver's side here that, when both out, almost feels like one big super slide. You have this beautiful U-shaped dinette, which actually can be optioned for our 12-volt theater seats. And up in the cab area and the bunk area, you've got a queen mattress with a 60 by 8 inch dimension, so your fitted sheets will fit it. And you have the option here for swivel seats, which is great on floor plans that have front entry doors, because typically you're clear right behind these seats. I love this because then you can have whoever's sitting up front kind of join the party in the rest of the floor plan. One of the other great features you get when you go to a Classic is you get our 8-inch Sony headset here, which has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integrated into that system. And if you look just above that, you'll see that you have a backup monitor. This is standard in all of our Sunseeker floor plans, so your side view and backup cameras will feed into that. That way, if you're driving and you have your GPS up on the screen, you can have your GPS up and your backup monitor at the same time, no toggling back and forth. As we look through this floor plan, a really nice usage of space in the counter. Notice we kind of L this counter out to give you some more space. A huge single basin sink as well, with a nice high-rise gooseneck faucet. We have our standard 1.3 cubic foot convection microwave oven, and our normal 10 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator, And in the bedroom, again, a queen walk-around bed. Really easy to make this bed. A really nice usage of space. But my two favorite things about this floor plan: a huge closet for hanging right here at the foot of your bed. Awesome. The biggest bathroom that we make in any one of our Sunseeker floor plans. If you wrap around to the left, you'll see a nice toilet space with some cabinetry for storage, a nice huge vanity, and then of course our shower. So thanks for joining us on this quick tour of the Sunseeker 2440. I'm John Pagano. For more information about this floor plan or any other, please visit us at forestriverinc.com, or you can visit our YouTube channel or Facebook page. Thanks again. Take care.